गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप? होप एवरीवन इज़ डूइंग वेल। अगर आपने मुझे कुछ साल पहले कहा होता कि आई कैन वर्क फ्रॉम एनीवेयर आई वांट, व्हेन एवर आई फील लाइक वर्किंग एंड आई हैव टोटल फ्रीडम, आई वुड हैव जस्ट स्माइल्ड एंड गॉन बैक टू माई 9 to 5 जॉब एंड बिजी लाइफस्टाइल। बट अब ऐसा नहीं है। अब देखो, इट्स वेंसडे मॉर्निंग, सुबह के 10 बजे, एंड आई एम हियर ऑन दिस नेचर वॉक enjoying the beautiful fall weather. जब से मैंने अपना ये डिजिटल बिजनेस शुरू किया है, this has been my daily routine. I get up in the morning, it's relaxing, I don't have to rush out anywhere and fight traffic. सुबह उठता हूँ, I do some meditation, get ready, I have breakfast, and then sometimes I take my dog out for a walk. Sometimes, like today, I'm on my own, so it's pretty relaxing. And then when I go back, तब मैं अपना काम करता हूँ डिजिटल बिजनेस के ऊपर। और काम भी क्या, it's so passionate, it's so lucky to have this business, क्योंकि it's allowing me to grow every day, to learn new things, to meet different people, to be able to understand कि कैसे grow करना है business. And at the same time, I'm doing it all from home, so I get to have flexibility. अगर कुछ घर में काम करना है और I have to go out or step out somewhere, I can easily do that. I get to spend time with family, and I have total flexibility. And then in the afternoon, I take a break sometimes. Sometimes I keep working, depends on how I feel like that day, or spend some time with my dog, and also go for yoga. So that's kind of the lifestyle that I have now since I started the digital business. पहले ऐसे नहीं था. When मैं corporate world में काम करता था, lot of traveling, lot of long days. For many years I stayed away from family. Wasn't easy, missed different milestones. But जब से ये digital business शुरू किया है, things are much more stable. At the same time, there's a lot of flexibility. It's a nice balance of purpose, flexibility, connections, meeting with different people, at the same time spending time with family. You have to choose in life what works for you, and I find that this business gives me that freedom to be able to do things that I want to do, because I have more flexibility of time, and I can devote that time to things that I really want to work on. You don't have to wait till you retire to do this. You can do it at any time. As they say, the best time to plant a tree was 10 years ago. The next best time is now. So if you have a desire to have a different lifestyle that gives you not only the purpose and the financial freedom, but also gives you flexibility and spending more time with people that you love, i.e. the family, then take that first step and enjoy the lifestyle that I am enjoying. I'm here to help, and that's been one of the things that I love about this business. Is it's not just building the legacy for myself and my family, but it's also helping others maybe get into this space and build that financial time freedom for themselves as well. We'd love to hear from you. What are maybe areas that you are working on that allow you this kind of freedom? And would love to learn and share ideas, help each other grow, and just make good positive connections. Till that time, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Take care. Bye.